This quick video is about how to create an account on BeReal app using iPhone and iPad. Okay, let's see that. First, go to App Store and install BeReal app. Once you installed, just open that. When you see this notification, within 2 minutes you have to capture your photo and share with your friends. At the same time, your friends also post their photos. Then you can connect with your friends on comments. That's the beauty of BeReal app. Okay, now tap Get Started. Now enter your name. Continue. Here enter your date of birth. Continue. Now here choose your country code. Then enter your mobile number. Then tap continue and a OTP was sent to that phone number. You just need to enter that here. That's it. Now enter your username. You can type anything you wish. Then tap continue. Now it asks your contact access. Hit OK. Here you can see your friends are using BeReal. You can invite them here or just click continue. Okay, this is the main thing. If you allow this, then only you get the notification on when to post a BeReal on a day. So just tap allow. Allow. Now touch this notification for your first BeReal photo. Okay, and you have to capture your photo within the 2 minutes countdown. You can switch front or back camera like this. Then tap the shutter button. Then it will automatically take your front and rear photo at one click. Then tap send. That's it. Now tap this. You can move this selfie like this. Now add your caption. I just typed my first BeReal pic. Then tap send. That's it. Then again tap this photo. Here you can share your BeReal post with these apps. Then tap discovery. Here you can see other users' BeReal photos. Yeah, that's it for now. I hope this video helps. If it really helps means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.